Hey, it's Robert Christiansen. I want to talk to you about using your whiteboard to bring emphasis using arrows and pointers. Now there's all different types of arrows and pointers, right? So if I just do a pointer and put a little square around some kind of conversation that I'm having with people in the room, I can move them to a new idea by simply putting that arrow in here. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay? You can also say, as an alternative, you can put a break in the arrow and say, maybe there's a question here before we go to this conclusion. Okay? And that conclusion may be influenced by this one over here. But the key is that these arrows don't have to be straight each time. You can do them like that. That's a big idea. You can fill in the space in here. Put those there like this. Practice your arrows. Do a line. Practice like this. Simple, all right? But when you start adding these emphasis to your board, it helps people really understand where their attention needs to be going. All right, be sure to pick up your Palace pens, right? These Palace pens are fantastic. It's our side hustle. They simply come out the back end like this, and you replace them. So this is 50% less plastic. Go to palacepens.com and get your set, okay? Bye.